Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Edmond Mendaros, and for today's quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to enable spell checking and grammar checking in emails on your Gmail account. Alright, so without further ado, and let's go ahead. Ang next step ay open lang natin ang ating Gmail account, and then click mo lang tong Gmail, and then dito lang sa top right corner, and then sinik mo lang dito yung settings. Makikita mo dito yung quick settings, and then sinik mo lang dito yung see all settings. And then dito sa see all settings, scroll down at hanapin natin dito yung grammar and spelling. Kung paano ba ito enable, so may dalawang option dito na grammar suggestions on or off. And then sinik ka lang dito, okay? So sinik lang natin yan. And then same naman dito sa spelling. So spelling suggestions on or off, sinik ka lang dito din, okay? So click lang natin yan. And then next ay scroll down lang tayo. And then kailangan mo lang i-click to save changes. So click mo lang yan. And then, ganun lang po kasimple mga kaibigan. Okay, so ganun lang po kasimple talaga kung paano natin enable ang spell and grammar check email messages in Gmail. Alright, so please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.